Titchfield High reigned supreme at this year's Schools Challenge Quiz Finals, so we wanted to see how they celebrate, and believe me, they did not disappoint.
Titchfield High recently won their second SCQ title, and of course, a good win deserves a proper celebration. One Titch, we're up and down the town. Feel to know that Titchfield has won.
Wonderful, great job. Excited.
I'm really excited about this. Knowing that this is my alma mater, Titchfield High School, and they win. School Challenge
How are you feeling?
Excited, I'm excited. Titchfield thing, and if it's a Titchfield thing, it's a important thing.
Captain, last year, how does it feel to have won?
It's an ecstatic feeling. It's an ecstatic feeling to know that all the hard work of not just myself, but also my teammates, it has finally paid off.
Guys, how long you guys gonna be celebrating for?
Let's continue for this week now and see where it goes.
That Titchfield has won quiz.
Oh, my alma mater, I am so excited and proud.
Portland, we see the way on the turn up. Clearly, we never lie. It's one Titch, never two.